to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make Chow Mien or Cantonese noodles. Okay, so right now we're heating up the oil and we have this. This is pork. Pork? Why is this cut differently? Okay. And then, well, the famous garlic. Oh, right now we've put in the noodles. Is this Pancit Canton?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is Pancit Canton. And then we have some mushroom and cabbage. And is this included here? The carrots and peas. Okay. Let's go back to this noodles. Chow Mien, guys. Chow Mien. Okay, so right now we have put the noodles, medyo crispy siya, into the bowls. Alright. We're putting oil. Okay, so the goal is to make it as brown as possible. If you notice, medyo may brown na siya. So that's when you know it's ready to be collected. Yes. There we go. It's brown. Water with oyster sauce.
And sesame
oil. Water with oyster sauce and sesame oil. We're waiting for the cabbage to cook. Paano mo malalaman luto na yung cabbage?
It gets a little bit translucent.
If translucent na daw, yung medyo clear. That's when you know the cabbage is cooked. Putting back the pork.
Have to make more sauce.
Okay. So this is how the sauce is made. Una tubig and then oyster sauce. Mix the oyster sauce there. Okay. Where's the sesame oil?
There's enough already there.
So now we'll be adding in the, what is this? Cornstarch para mag-thicken siya. Yeah. This is cornstarch with water. How many tablespoons is this? 2 tablespoons and some water. Para thicken yung sauce niya. There we go. Alright, so we've finished the sauce for the Cantonese noodles. Here you have it, everybody. Cantonese noodles ready for eating. Thank you for watching this video of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.